Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Sebastian Czajka and today I'm going to show you in a few minutes how to create and manage a high-performing team. Last time I explained how to select and recruit the right people for your project. So the next step will be to create and manage a high-performing team. You are responsible for creating the right environment for your teams. We should be well structured to allow you to manage your team and get the best from each individual. Therefore, creating a high-performing team is your next key to success. This presentation is the second of my few presentations which altogether will help you to deliver a successful project and enjoy your life. You'll be feeling happier and successful when you start building a high-performing team. People need to be engaged, motivated and happy at work to give an extra 10% or 20% every day. I would like to share my knowledge and experience with you which I successfully tested on my projects. I'm very experienced in building a high-performing team and delivering high-quality projects. Let's start. How to create and manage a high-performing team. Number 1. Keep the high standards and lead by example. This is your starting point. Project managers or project directors are responsible for raising the excellent behavior and showing high standards by themselves every day, leading by example. You cannot expect from others to be on time if you are late every time. You need to present yourself well and always keep the highest standards of your behavior and actions. You need to create the best environment for your team. In construction, your project area will be your priority with nice and clean offices, drying room, canteen and toilets. This is the first point where your quality process starts, by showing your high standards and where you show respect to your team. Additionally, please look for constant room for improvement every time. Number 2. Clear strategy for your project and clear roles and responsibilities for your team. Your team need to know how and when all stages of the project must be completed so they can be fully engaged and they can see how the sections contribute to the whole project. Everyone needs to know what their responsibilities are, with clear lines of responsibility between each team member. To avoid miscommunication, only one person is responsible for one section, block, flow, or closing the action. This process will allow your team members to be accountable for the actions and to be proud of the completed task. All team members need to know other team members' responsibilities too, so they can quickly ask the relevant person a question. The team meeting every week can be an excellent opportunity to discuss the project strategy, clear responsibilities, and show examples of high standards, so there is no any future excuse of not completed actions or poor quality. Number 3. Delegation with clear goal settings. Delegation is the key for you to have enough time for your reflection. This is time for your room for improvement. It means time to think about how to improve yourself and your project. The delegation also allows the task to be completed by team members in their way, so they can feel trusted and proud when the task is completed, and encourage them to improve and learn from mistakes. During team meetings, clear and realistic goals, deadlines should be agreed and then reviewed and monitored during the next meetings without failings. Number 4. Good communication environment. You cannot have your teams working in silos. We need to interlink our team with an invisible net, and we as project managers and project directors need to fly above this net and make sure that all links work correctly between team members. Please encourage face-to-face meetings, even one-to-one, instead of sending emails. Emails are good for records purposes. It is always easier to resolve problems face-to-face. Feedback sessions are also very critical to discuss ways to improve communication between the team members and other discussed today aspects. Number 5. No blame culture. We all work as one team to deliver the project. We all are responsible for the mistakes. We, as a team, need to deal with all issues and support each other to complete the task on time without blaming each other and wasting time for unproductive arguments. This is all about teamwork. Additionally, it would be best if you spend enough time with your team to explain the task, so they need to understand how and when it needs to be done, and you need to only monitor each task until you get the full trust and confidence with your team. Number 6. Big picture. The team members need to see the big picture and prioritize the task by seeing the big picture. We need to be very flexible as the priority of our task can change, and team members need to understand it and not to be frustrated when the plan of action is changed due to some circumstances. We need to only complete the tasks which are on the top of our agreed priority list. Seeing the big picture by everyone will also allow making agreements between parties and quick decisions, which are essential to keep the right momentum of the progress. Number 7. Seeing other people's perspective. We need to see things from other people's perspectives. Most of us see only things from their perspective, which doesn't help to resolve disputes and doesn't help to make agreements, which are very critical to our success. Please remember that we all should have the same goal, which is to finish our project successfully. All this is the most important what you need to know to create and manage a high-performing team. Thank you for listening and see you soon.